Hello, this video provides a summary of the Guelph housing market stats for the month of June 2021. The market has actually cooled down just ever so slightly in the month of June, but it's still a very hot market. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to June of 2020. Median sales price was $699,900, which is up by 20.3%. Median days on market was 7 days, which is down by 5 days. The total number of sales was 277, which is up by 8.2%, and the total number of listings was 324, which is down by 1.8%. In general, it's still a very hot seller's market out there, and numbers are up significantly year over year. However, prices dipped by almost 6% in June relative to May of this year. I wouldn't expect this dip to be a sign of a cooling market, as the number of new listings are down relative to the number of new sales. With low inventory and steady demand, I expect that we may see modest price growth in July. For buyers, now's a pretty good time to find a home. The market tends to slow down in July and August, as many buyers and sellers are spending their vacation time and more focused on enjoying the summer. This, coupled with prices that have dropped ever so slightly, are presenting an opportunity for buyers to purchase without as much competition. Now for sellers, it's actually still a very hot market to sell in. Over half of the sales are still achieving greater than list price, and inventories are very low. Sellers just need to be careful about their listing strategy, as bidding wars are becoming a little less aggressive these days. It's important to choose a pricing strategy that finds the right risk-reward balance for you. If you have any questions about the Guelph real estate market or thinking about buying or selling, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out.